Good evening everyone. Today I am going to brief about the weekly weather review and forecast for the next 2 weeks for the Telangana. So first of all we have to see, now we have come to the end of the southwest monsoon, and what are the salient features that we have seen during season 2020 over Telangana. Over Telangana we have seen nearly 1094 mm has been received against the normal rainfall of 751.9 millimeters based on the 1961 to 2000 data, and we have received nearly 46% of the long period average rainfall from June 1st to 30th September. Thereafter, if we see from June, July, August, September, nearly 30%, 17% and 79% and 53% of LPA has been received during these months of southwest monsoon. And this monsoon, out of 33 districts, 13 districts received a large excess rainfall, 13 districts have received excess rainfall, 7 districts have received nearly normal rainfall during the season. But the southwest monsoon has further extended into the October. So during October also there had been widespread rainfall activity. So we have seen nearly entire Telangana has been 168.4 mm against the LP of 87.7 millimeters of rainfall, out of which 33 districts, 21 have received large excess, and 8 districts received excess, and 2 districts have received normal rainfall, which 2 had been deficit rainfall. So considering all this, the southwest monsoon over Telangana has advanced during 11th June this year, and further it had withdrawn initially in some parts of Telangana on 26th October, and covered the entire parts of Telangana on 28th October, and also entire country. During this season, from June, July, August, September, nearly 9 low pressure systems have formed over Bay of Bengal, and 2 have formed in the October season during first and second week. So these are the features that we have seen during the this week, past week, that a depression had been formed over the West Central Bay, which initially moved in the northwest direction and finally moved into the northeast direction towards the Bengal coast. Next. So on 21st, the conditions are being favorable for the withdrawal of the southwest monsoon, and we had already given thing like the Telangana is likely to withdraw in 2 to 3 days. Next. So the conditions had been further favorable for the withdrawal of the southwest monsoon. So on 26th, some parts of Telangana have been withdrawn in the southwest monsoon, and 28th. Next. So 28th, the monsoon had withdrawn from the entire state of Telangana and also the entire country, and this is the track of the depression that has crossed near the Bengal coast, and it was a depression, and this is the depression uncertainty of the depression over Bay of Bengal based on 12 UTC of 22nd October. So the spatial distribution during the past week has been almost weak conditions. Dry or isolated rainfall had been received. So nearly on 22nd, before the onset of the monsoon, a few places in the south Telangana region, in Joglamba, Gadwal and Vanapati, had received 9 centimeters and 7 centimeters of rainfall. So the forecast for the next week shows that nearly dry conditions are likely to prevail over the whole of the Telangana state. So we are issuing the bulletins in Telugu also. This shows that the dry conditions are very likely to prevail, and so there is no warning for the next week. So forecast based on the extended range forecast shows that almost all the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and here also in the second week third week, fourth week also almost the rainfall is nil and dry conditions are very likely to prevail. Only rain conditions are likely to persist, likely to prevail or occur over the South Telangana, South Peninsula region. So this is the rainfall anomaly. This shows that most parts of Telangana is likely to be below normal conditions. So this shows that Telangana is having below normal conditions and is mostly of minus 51 in the second week and minus 34 in first week. So this is the maximum temperature anomaly, which also shows that the temperatures are likely to be below normal during first, second and third and fourth week also. Next. So these are the weather updates. We can log into our website imdhyderabad.gov.in, then into our Facebook MCHYD or adalhyderabad@gmail.com. Our Twitter is MedCenterHYD and our YouTube is SynopHYD@gmail.com. Our information will be easily available on that.